Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with AmTrust Financial, complete guide step by step clearly. First, gather all relevant financial documents. This includes income statements, expense reports, and any outstanding debts. Next, assess your total income. Add up all sources of income, including salaries, freelance work, and passive income. Then, list all your monthly expenses. Categorize them into fixed expenses like rent and variable expenses like groceries. Now, calculate your total expenses. This will give you a clear picture of how much you are spending each month. Once you have these numbers, compare your total income to total expenses. If your income exceeds your expenses, you have a surplus. If your expenses exceed your income, it's time to adjust your budget. Identify areas where you can cut costs. Consider dining out less or reducing subscription services. Next, set financial goals. Decide what you want to achieve in the short term and long term. This could be saving for a vacation, a new car, or retirement. Now, create a budget using AmTrust Financial tools. Utilize their budgeting software to help track income and expenses. Input your income and expenses into the tool. This will provide you with a visual representation of your financial situation. Monitor your budget regularly. Check in weekly or monthly to ensure you are staying on track. Adjust your budget as needed based on any changes in income or expenses. Consider saving a portion of your income each month. Aim for at least 20% of your income if possible. Utilize AmTrust's financial planning resources for additional guidance. They offer various tools and calculators to assist with budgeting. Finally, review your financial progress periodically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.